Meaning of Guatemalan.
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 Guatemalan. Guatemalan is an adjective referring to something or someone from the country of Guatemala in Central America. It can also be used as a noun to describe a citizen of Guatemala. The country is known for its rich Mayan heritage, vibrant culture, and diverse geography, ranging from lush rainforests to towering volcanoes. However, it has also faced challenges such as political instability, inequality, and violence. Despite these obstacles, Guatemalans are known for their resilience and determination, and the country continues to attract visitors with its natural beauty and cultural treasures.